enjoy collecting guns. Why can't someone collect? People collect fucking thimbles.
Well, why don't you?
Jerry Seinfeld collects cars.
Don't collect the bullets.
But I need the bullets to shoot through the gun. That's like Jerry Seinfeld buying cars and no gas. He likes driving his cars.
Fuck it. He doesn't just.
He likes Colin Quinn pushing his cars down the street.
He doesn't strap a car to himself when he walks around the house, you fucking kook.
Only sometimes. When I'm down in the theater now because there's no exit. There's just one door. If I get a home invasion, they walk in there.
That's true.
Oh, you and this home invasion. Would you please?
What? It happened? Oh, never happens.
Just look
up home invasion and Long Island.
Just put gates on your windows like I did.
Oh, that's good. It'll look like fucking South Central.
Oh, man.
Every house in South Central looks like a fucking jail.
I put I Am Legend gates on my shit.
I Am Legend.
Ant, can I ask you a question about this home invasion thing?
Oh, yeah.
How are they going to invade your home when the lights never go out?
There's
always movement and action in your house. How the fuck are they going to home invade your house?
Just has a silhouette of a man that just goes on a track.
It's on a track to make it look like someone's just pacing at night the whole time. Home invaders don't care
do you have a lot of motion sensors in your house, too?
No. I got an alarm system. You know, if that door opens up, that alarm's going to fucking go off.
Really?
And shit like that, yeah.
So why do you need guns also?
Because I don't have the alarm set all the time. Sometimes when I have guests coming over, like last night there was a poker game at the house. Talked about it on the air.
Hence the poker
things like that. Do you think I want somebody thinking, hey, there's a poker game going on at Anthony's? You know, I might be able to score a little bit of cash if me and my buddies kick open the door and fucking, raid Anthony's poker game and grab his cash. They don't know what my buy-in is.
But they know the listeners. What are they going to get, $40?
Yeah, exactly. True.
Oh.
If that ever happened, I'm packing what they call heat. And, I'm TCB, as they say. TCB.
You want to shoot somebody by mistake, man.
No, I'm very safe. I'm a very safe gun owner. I'm very responsible with my guns.
Yeah.
Always know if they're what?
Do you have a
they're all
say hello
away.
to my little friend gun?
I have a very close one. I don't have a grenade launcher, but I do have I have two of those.
That if your sister
bipods on them
tries to come and fuck you, and then a Mexican shoots her in the back.
Yeah.
And then you go to try to get that gun, and then you look at her and talk to her for a minute.
I talk to her for a little while, give her a kiss, tell her to stay there.
Give her a little kiss.
Don't move. Scanners.
So you have what's your say hello to my little friend gun?
That would be my AR-15. It's got the bipod on it. It's got a laser sight, flashlight, front grip attachment. Yes, it's very good for close quarters, like in the house. But
when 50 was on, did you have a gun discussion with him?
No, I would have liked to, but there was so much other stuff. That guy is a businessman. That man knows his business.
You should have talked about them guns, man.
I would have, but the man shot 9 times. Probably doesn't want to discuss guns.
AR-15. He's wrapped. I've heard AR-15s in a big rap gun.
AK-47s though is like the gun of the homeboy.
That's old school. Yeah. That's 80s, mid-80s.
Cool Mo D had a fucking AK-47.
Cool Mo D.
Fucking the educated rapper.
And I hate when anyone talks Glock to me. Glocks are homie guns, man. They're just homie guns.
They passe.
Yeah, they're so passe. It's just
AR-15 is in a very recent rap.
Yeah,
I gotta find out which
people
one
like the AR-15s. Nice 30-round clip, pre-ban.
How about like a nice snub-nosed 38 with a grip?
I don't like what they call a wheel gun. I don't like the revolvers.
Well,
I like automatics.
Excuse me, motherfucker.
I like automatics. They're fun. Boom, 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 boom.
You're very
yeah. I like that shit.
You're very classy about your pistols.
I really am. I like that. I have a little drawer that I open up and I accessorize.
You got any of those
depending on what I'm wearing.
Like a hand, the hidden one that comes through your fingers and you can.
No, nothing like that. The smallest one I have is a Walther PPK, the James Bond 380. That's a nice one. Little silver gun.
Damn.
Then I got the 1911 45. My night table gun is a SIG 45 with a laser sight on it. That's the gun that stays on my night table at night.
Wow.
So that way, if there's any shenanigans, fucking A loaded. What are you going to do?
What if you have a dream and just shoot yourself in the foot?
See, that's why I can't be a gun owner.
What am I going to have a dream and pick up a gun? I don't even fucking. I'm just.
What if you mistake it for your Alka-Seltzer?
Take an Alka-Seltzer?
Yeah.
How do you fucking mistake a gun for Alka-Seltzer?
You go plop, plop, and by the time you hit fizz, fizz, your skull is all over the ceiling.
He makes a mistake and blows his follicles out. And you have to start all over.
It's a fun hobby. I like target shooting. It's a lot of fun.
This is not a hobby, though, man. You're a fucking...
Do a jigsaw puzzle.
It takes care of two things. It's a hobby, and it's protection, and it's my goddamn right as an American to own them, and no one can tell me different. That's how I feel about it. Second Amendment. There's speech, and then they thought that one was important enough to make number 2.
Well, guns to shoot whoever makes an unpopular speech.
Exactly. That was made up, man. Like, come on.
1760. Well, let me tell you something.
That was back when guns were a little less dangerous and couldn't kill everybody
you know what?
at once.
That's a good argument, though.
You know what? It's a great argument until you think of this. They're trying to ban semi-automatic weapons. They have been around since the 1800s.
What?
Without anyone saying, we got to ban these. They're too fucking modern.
Tommy guns?
And now, not Tommy guns, not shit like that. You can't own a machine gun. No, you're not allowed to own fucking full automatics. I could buy a Tommy gun semi-automatic, but you got to pull the trigger every time you want a bullet to come out. It's not just like, yeah, you're not allowed to own a machine gun.
Then why did Capone have one?
People think, because he was a criminal.
Oh.
People think that you're able to go out and buy machine guns. They think an assault weapon. The Democrats and the liberals, they've done such a good job at fucking lying to people and making them think that people can go to a gun store and buy fully automatic machine guns that they call assault weapons. You know what an assault weapon is? It's a hunting rifle that has
gun.
Cool shit on it. It makes it look cool. Instead of the wood stock, it's maybe black plastic it looks like a military gun.
Okay.
It's got a nice scope on it, a nice little ACOG scope or something like that.
Why?
And then here's something they don't want, that they consider an assault weapon that they don't want you to have. A bayonet lug. Because how many fucking bayonet charges are people killed in?
Hey. After you use up all your bullets, you need stab a motherfucker.
Now you're going to fucking charge into the fucking liquor store. In
case you're fighting Huns.
It's things like a folding stock. They don't like the folding stock because I guess you could conceal it better. But these are all things that like legal gun owners wouldn't do. It's people that don't own legal guns that do this fucking shit.
It's not necessary to have so many.
Nothing's necessary. Your hats aren't fucking necessary.
Sure they are. They keep the rain off.
Why do you have so many different hats? You need one fucking hat. Why?
It's not dangerous unless it's the same hat from
dangerous.
Goldfinger.
Your car's fucking dangerous. Oh, Odd Job's fucking hat? So watch that shit.